How's it going, Portfolio Kings team? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be going over recent positions that we've been giving out to our Discord. We've been running calendars and diagonals on a few different banks within the banking sector for the past few months. I'm going to start off here with Citigroup. This is one of the original calendar positions I've been running. I opened this debit spread back when it was trading for $1.64. Been rolling the front month for credit to pay for the back months. I originally opened this position with a long 75 call for December 2021. And I was shorting the September 75 call back when it was 53 days until expiration. I ended up rolling it to October. As we can see here, I received a 20 cents credit on the roll. My debit on the trade went down from $1.64, $1.44, and currently they are trading for 206 on 4 contracts of this calendar. I am currently up about $250 on this trade. Gonna keep rolling these contracts, these short front months. Currently there's 46 days left until expiration on these October ones, so I'm right where I want to be in terms of selling the front month. I'm looking to get one more roll out of this strategy. I want to roll this 77.5 call that I'm short in October. I want to roll this to November. I'm looking to roll it up and out. If I can get a nice credit going to the $80 strike, what I'll be doing is taking risk off of the table while at the same time increasing my maximum profit. This is what my current P&L graph looks like. As you can see, I'm taking risk off the table by rolling out and up, and I have a bullish, neutral in the short term to slightly bullish assumption on banks in the short to medium term, so within the next 3 months. So let's go take a look at another bank that we have here. I opened these more recently. It is a JP Morgan calendar. Right now we're not even seeing any profits right now because I put it on this past week. But as we can see back over here from my positions tab, I have 2.2 thetas on it. I have 3 of them open. I paid $258 for these spreads, so I took 3 of them, so about $775, give or take, worth of risk. Looking to reduce the price of these December 17th 170 calls. We can see that if we fast forward in the future a bit, like I said, I have a slightly bullish assumption, neutral to bullish assumption on banking. As we approach the front month in October's expiration, on here we can see that we'll be making some pretty decent profits between about $1.63 and $1.76. Ideal scenario for this trade, if I were to hold the front month until expiration, would be JP Morgan to be at $1.70 at expiration. Now, I will be looking to roll this out and up as well, like I did with the other calendar spread. I want to roll it to $1.75. That way I can increase my max profit while at the same time reducing my risk on the back month. I'm going to show the Bank of America diagonal. This looks similar to the Citigroup. I ended up rolling this one. I bought 4 spreads at the beginning for a $1.16 credit, so just about $500 in risk, give or take a few dollars. Ended up closing those calls right away for a quick gain. I realized a $17 gain on these, added more calls to average down on them. Ultimately selling more October calls at the 45 strike for 43 cents credit. So if we take a look at the previous closing of these front months that I realized a gain on, I then averaged my position and then I sold more options at a higher strike. So taking off risk and increasing my max profit. The idea is that I want more profit out of these front months to pay for these back months. I want to leverage theta in my favor so that I am taking in money every day instead of spending it. And this is excellent for stocks in these low volatility environments. Wells Fargo, I like doing these in the banking sector because they seem to have low volatility as well as IV percentages of 30 to 35%, which gives for some good opportunity to find positive skew. So I've only had this trade open for a couple days now, and down a little bit on it, not too worried about that. Just trying to manage by the numbers and make my positions the best they can be. Thank you all for joining up today. This was an excellent video that I wanted to touch on. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a chat in the Discord. Make sure to check us out, www.theportfoliokings.com. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.